So we're here today with John Quevilla, director of Tim Lally S.A.V.E. And John, I see the Maple Heights Police Department is getting equipped with a brand new Chevrolet Tahoe PPV Police Edition. And tell us, how did we customize this to fit the needs of Maple Heights?
Yeah, Jeff, we're delivering 2 brand new Tahoes in the city of Maple Heights today. They're turnkey products. It's got the federal signal marked vehicle package on it, which consists of the light bar, Havas console, 2 front LEDs, headlight flasher, 2 rear LEDs, and a rear stick in the window. They've added push bumpers to this vehicle. It's got a full prisoner compartment, gun racks, and the loft system in the rear of the vehicle as well, along with the trunk vault.
Now I see there's a heavy emphasis on officer safety with all the lighting here. Explain to us the lighting options and all the different configurations you have here to assure clear visibility on a call or a traffic stop.
Yeah, some of the lighting options are great. You've got 4 MPS 6000s in the front. You've got the headlight flasher, the light bar. Along the side, you've got running board strips. The rear of the vehicle, you have a MPS 6000 in the rear window. When you open the door for officer safety, the light bar is going to cut out of the top corner. Your side lights are going to go to white for you. When you come to the rear of the vehicle, you've got a stick in the rear window, which turns to a directional stick in amber, hideaways in the rear tail lights, tail light flasher, and license plate lights. In addition, we always put the lights in the hatch as well with a separate switch the officers can use right here to activate those.
Now, John, why do you use a separate switch on the back?
That way, if they're in an area where they're opening their hatch and they don't want to be visible, they're not automatically going to come on. It's their preference.
Excellent. And what's there in the back?
The rear here, we've got the 1-drawer Satina vault for them. It's got the cabinet drawer, a tray up top, storage underneath. And then you also have the loft system, which will hold a gun as well, whether it be a shotgun, rifle, or less than lethal weapon.
Now you said this has the full prisoner compartment.
Yes, the full prisoner compartment's in this truck with the seatbelt system. It's the Go Rhino system, door panel covers, recessed cage with a slider window, window bars, plastic molded seat, and the rear partition.
And then take us into the inside. There's a lot of unique controls in this.
Yes, sir. On the inside, it's got the Havas center console. The radio is already installed for them. Again, this is a turnkey product. Several different features. One of them that's great is the announcement package. This would be the first announcement here.
Please remain in your vehicle. Please remain in...
Second one.
Please turn off the vehicle and put your hands on the steering wheel.
And then there's also an alert.
Severe weather warning. Seek shelter immediately. Severe weather...
And in addition, there's multiple functions. You have the left alley lights. With 1 click, you're going to get the alley light up here. With 2 clicks, you're going to get the full left side of the light bar, and all the lights on the side of the vehicle are going to be completely white. And then in addition to that, you have the takedown lights, which will give you the two lights on the light bar for visibility. Or you can go to scene light, which will get the whole front of the car completely white. All the lights in the front will all go to scene.
So in an accident scene, you can basically light up the entire area for quick visibility and immediate response to attending to the needs of the injured.
Absolutely. And then you also have the cruise light option. And then you have the ability to go to dim on your light bar. And that pretty much covers it.
Fascinating. Now let's, if the city has equipment existing already, do they have to replace everything, or can you transfer existing equipment?
No, if they have things that they want to transfer, they can. Like in their case, we transfer the radios for them.
Fantastic. And Tim Lally S.A.V.E. has the habit of putting in the magnetic mic. Is that the same here?
We do. Magnetic mics are available. They come as a standard item with all our installs.
And the advantage of that is?
That's for officer comfortability. They can place them wherever they want. They're not permanently staged in a certain area.
Fantastic. So now, John, in Tim Lally S.A.V.E., where does all this upfit equipment take place?
Everything takes place right here at Tim Lally by certified technicians in our service department.
So kind of the advantage we have is that you're literally, what, 20 yards from the actual installed equipment to be able to oversee it?
Absolutely. Our installers are right here on site. They're certified GM techs. And best of all, when you upfit with Tim Lally, if you go down for any reason whatsoever, you get a free, fully upfitted Tahoe loaner that you can put right into service until your patrol car's
and those are what we're seeing over there?
That would be it.
That's fantastic. So, John, if I'm looking to replace equipment, if I'm a municipal administrator or police chief, how do I get this process started?
Just contact me here at Tim Lally Chevrolet, or you can go to our website, www.timlallysave.com.
Okay, thank you so much. This has been John Krivola, again, director of Tim Lally S.A.V.E., with special thanks to the City of Maple Heights for allowing Tim Lally to continue our commitment to police officers. Have a great day.